Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to pin comments on Instagram. Okay, so here we are on the Instagram app on the Stories camera. Let's go ahead and swipe over to the home feed. Today I'm going to show you how to pin comments on your posts. So let's go ahead and jump to my profile. Then I'm just going to go to one of my recent posts. Tap on the tiny turtle. Then what we want to do is we can tap where it says view all 9 comments, or we can tap on the comments icon. This is going to take us to all of the comments. Now if we find one that we like and we want to pin that to the top, we can swipe right on the comment. It's going to give us more options. From here, just tap the pin icon and it's going to give you this little pop-up with some more information that says pin your favorite comments. Pin up to 3 comments to show them at the top of your post and highlight positivity. When you pin a comment, we'll notify the person who wrote it. So tap pinned comment. That one has been pinned at the top. You can see a little text indicator under the comment that says pinned. And I could pin 2 more comments if I would like to. You know, I don't get that many comments, so I'll just keep 1 pinned for this post. That's pretty cool. And there you have it, how to pin comments on Instagram. If I want to unpin the comment, I would just swipe right, tap the pin icon again, and then it's going to give me a little pop-up. I can unpin or cancel. I'm just going to cancel, but that's how you would unpin it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the Instagram playlist with hundreds of tutorials for how to use Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might win. Don't blame your problems on the past. 'Cause